we had given with summation of 2 power of 5 for I runs from 0 to n, right? What this meaning is 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus and so on to power n. So summation of 2 power of 5 for I runs from 0 to n. So this is what the actual meaning is. The value of all the 2 power of 0 plus 2 power of 1 plus 2 power of 2 and so on to power of n. If you observe this carefully, it will be same as this geometric progression, right? So it is 1, it is 2, it is 4 and so on. 2 power of 0 into 2 is 2 power of 1. 2 power of 1 into 2 is 2 power of 2 and so on. 2 power of n minus 1 into 2 is 2 power of n. So it is geometric progression with first term as 2 power of 0 which is equals to 1, its first term is equals to 1, and the multiplication factor here is the 2. 2 power of 0 into 2 is 2 power of 1. 2 power of 1 into 2 is 2 power of 2 and so on. So it is the geometric progression with first term is equals to 1 and the first term a0 equals to 1 and the multiplication factor r is equals to 2. Then uh, we discussed the geometric progression very detailedly in later videos, but for the time being I will tell you sum of n terms in the geometric progression. Sum of k terms, in the geometric progression is given by a naught into r is the multiplication factor, r power k minus 1, r power of k minus 1 4 by r minus 1. It is the sum of k terms in the geometric progression. Here a naught is 2 power of 0 which is 1. So 1 into r power of k. K is the number of terms. Number of terms present here is, it is 2 power of n, 2 power of n minus 1 and so on 0. So 1 to n summation. So there are n plus 1 terms here because here we included here 2 power of 0, right? If we have only 2 power of 1 to 2 power of n, then there are n terms. We have here 2 power of 0 extra, right? So we will we have the 2 n plus 1 terms. So r here is 2 power k is n plus 1 and n plus 1 with some minus 1 by what is r minus 1? R is 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So of the total value is 2 power of n plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1. So the value is 2 power of 2 power n plus 1 is 1 2 power of n plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So we don't need to write by 1. It is if so the summation of n terms of 2 power of 5 will give you the value of 2 power of n plus 1. That is the power of 2 with n plus 1 as the index minus 1. So this is the answer.